Hey there, welcome to my channel Marketing by Amita. Today we will discuss the 6 different ad objectives Facebook offers to help you achieve your marketing goals. So without wasting time, let's dive in. First up, we have awareness. This objective is designed to increase your brand's visibility and get your name out there. For example, you could create a video ad that showcases your product or service and targets people interested in your industry. The goal is to get as many people as possible to see your ad and become aware of your brand. Next, we have traffic. If you want to drive more traffic to your website, this objective is for you. You can create an ad that links directly to your website, and Facebook will optimize the delivery of your ad to people who are most likely to click on it. This objective is great for promoting blog posts, landing pages, and other types of content. So just go for it. Third, we have engagement. Now, this objective focuses on getting people to engage with your content, whether by liking, commenting, or sharing your post. For example, you could create a post that asks people to tag a friend who would love your product, or run a contest that encourages people to share your content for a chance to win a prize. Fourth, we have leads. Yes, we all love data. We all want to have the email addresses of the people we want to target. So fourth, we have leads. So if you are looking to generate leads for your business, this objective can help you a lot. You can create a form within your ad that people can fill out to get more information about your product or service. For example, you could offer a free ebook in exchange for someone's email address. Facebook will then optimize the delivery of your ad to people who are most likely to fill out the form. Fifth, we have app promotion. If you have a mobile app that you want to promote, this objective is for you. You can create an ad that encourages people to download your app, and Facebook will optimize the delivery of your ad to people who are most likely to install it. Interesting. So this objective is excellent for new app launches, or if you want to promote updates to your existing app. So just go for it and try this. Well, we all have a lot of apps coming up, and I think this is the best feature I can see on Facebook ads, that whenever you want to have an app promotion, you can do this. And yes, we finally have sales. Obviously, if you are in an e-commerce business, then setting up this objective is crucial for your marketing activities. And so yes, finally we have sales. If you want to drive sales for your business, this objective is what you want. You can create an ad that links directly to your product page, and Facebook will optimize the delivery of your ad to people who are most likely to make a purchase. Now, this objective is great for e-commerce businesses, or if you want to promote a specific product or sale. So there you have it, Facebook's 6 different ad objectives. So by understanding these objectives and choosing the one that best aligns with your marketing goals, you can create compelling ads that drive results for your business. Happy advertising, and for more information, do subscribe to my channel Marketing by Amita. Thank you.